Oh yes, Prince Oluwatosin and Sam Blocks Entertainment present to you Soul Revival Entertainment with no other person, Christy Liberty. She has been dropping a notable songs and hits back to back. Her latest songs gain her a notable presence with Sweet Mama. You can also reach her on YouTube by subscribing to her channel and on TikTok. You can also reach her on Instagram by following her and also on Facebook. Christy Liberty, she is a performing artist. Enjoy her music. What a beautiful songs and magic performance.
Mama, I celebrate you, Mama. My sweet Mama, oh, I celebrate you, Mama.
Follow her on all social media platforms and stream her song, subscribe and be updated.